In week 2 of our course, Missiology and Contextualization, we'll move into looking at or reading about the history of the global expansion of the church across the centuries. I think it'll be a good time for you to explore how the Church of Jesus Christ has gone global. Then the special project this week is to find a story in that global history, global expansion history, that you think might make a good sermon illustration for a sermon on love or service or I don't know, marriage relationships or whatever. I think one of the neat ways of helping educate a local church about missions and get them on board and thinking about it is to throw sermon illustrations from the history of missions into sermons that are not specifically about the expansion of the church around the world. So your task is to find a story and then to tell that story to us and then give us I think it's about 3 possible sermon topics that you could use in which you could use that particular story. So don't tell us the point of the story. Just tell us the story as if you were going to be telling it in the middle of a sermon, and then tell us what kind of sermons or the topics of sermons in which you might envision using that particular illustration. And as always, there needs to be some good conversation during the week, so there's the requirement of at least 6 response posts during the week. And then at the end of the week, kind of a wrap up in which you'll kind of talk about key things that kind of jumped out to you during the week. Well, it's time to get started on week number 2.